In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 different AI tools which anybody can use to start making money online and from home. And we'll cover something, we'll look at written format, we will look at video options, and basically I'm just going to share with you what these tools are and ultimately how you can get the most from them. So when it comes to making money online, there are lots of ways we can do this. You can see some examples on here. We can do affiliate marketing. We could do YouTube down here. There's so many ways we can do this. Now, something I like to focus on myself in my own online business is something known as evergreen content. And what that means is I can do some work today or get AI to do the work for me, and then I can be earning money weeks, months, and even years down the line. Okay, so let me give you an actual example of something. Okay, so sorry, not this one, let me come over to Google. So here on Google, I have just typed in this, Earn Online UK. Now what's happening here is, we can see down here, volume. This is how many people a month are searching this up here, Earn Online UK. So every single month we can see 480 people a month are searching this up. And if we scroll down here, we can see the trend data for this. So for the last year, this is how many people have been searching for that exact keyword every single week. This is for the last 12 months. And I can change it around if I wanted to. Then down here, we can also see these are related keywords. And again, we can see the keyword here and then the search volume down here. Okay. What is that? Dirty word? Blimey. So that is known as evergreen content because, so if I scroll up here, so this is the keyword here, this Earn Online UK. We know this is evergreen because people are searching for this keyword every single month. And what we can now do is we can use AI tools to create content around that keyword, and then we can be earning money. Sounds straightforward and simple, and it absolutely is. So how could we, create content and make money around this keyword? So let me give you an example of this. Let's just go into this one over here. Okay. So if we scroll down, let's just come onto this page here. We can see they will have, yes, we can see one loading here. This here is an ad, which basically means that the person who's got this website up here and has created the content around this keyword, this Make Money Online UK, they are getting money from people landing on the website and they're running paid ads. They're running ads to this. Blimey. This is one of the things I hate about these websites. So you see this down here. This is an ad, okay? Let me get rid of that. This over here is an ad. So they're earning money from ads, okay, on the website. They're also earning money from this over here, which if I scroll down, you can see these here, believe it or not, these are all affiliate links. So if I was to click on any of these links, the person or the owner of this website would be making money. Straightforward and simple. So what do we know from this? They've created this piece of content, which in this example is a website. Okay, they've created a blog article. They're earning money from these annoying ads which slow down your computers. They're also earning money from affiliate links. And then at the same time, they're also, you see here, get on the skint list, they're also building an email list so they can then monetize further down the line, okay, or down the road. And this is just 3 examples of how you can make money with this type of content. The other thing what we could do around this here as well is, so we know that this is an article, a blog article, okay? So what could we do to create the content for us if we don't want to sit, writing a blog article, which can take hours? Well, there are a number of softwares for, let me close this down because I can't stand websites like this. They're just inundated with ads like this. And most of the stuff on here, like how to make an online service, don't waste your time. Absolute nonsense. So let's go back, and I want to show you another example of this. So that is the keyword Earn Online UK. So I know if I was to create a piece of content around that, whether that's a YouTube video, a TikTok, a Pinterest pin to a degree, whether it was a blog article like this, we have the potential of 480 people landing on our website each week, or each month, sorry, 480 people. But that's just one keyword. If I was to press the space bar here, I can now see Earn Money Online UK for free, 720 people. Earn Money UK, 170. This one. And if I was to scroll further down the page here, again, I can see lots of different options on the page here. So, and then we've got more down here. Look, there's so much potential with this method, okay? And if we was to go with that, so let's say we was going into this category or a niche. Those are some different ways we could monetize this. Now, I said to you a minute ago, we could monetize with something known as affiliate marketing. So let's come over here really quickly. And again, I'll show you an example of this. So let's come into here, into the marketplace. So this is ClickBank. This is an affiliate website, sorry, an affiliate network, which basically means you can find products in any category or in any niche, and you can become an affiliate for them. And it doesn't have to be ClickBank. You can use any affiliate network. Okay. So if I click on all down here, I can go down. Now, if I was trying to find some products related to this keyword over here, Earn Online UK, it's pretty straightforward. I would come down here and I'd probably go into this sort of, let's go education, no, scroll down. Where's it gone? Business and investment, I don't know. You can see there's lots of different categories. We could go into e-business and marketing. So here we go, look, e-business and marketing. So if someone's interested in earning online, we could then share products about affiliate marketing with them. We could share products around blog marketing, niche marketing, copywriting, email marketing. So let's just go into this category really quickly, okay? And we will scroll down. So look at this, live chat jobs. You have to try this one. So if we know we've got people searching online for something around earning online, okay? Do we think something like this, live chat jobs, they'd be interested in that? It's very likely, isn't it? And we can see over here on the right-hand side our potential earnings. So this here has an average conversion of $64. I can see here where it says gravity score, 224. So that means it's selling very well. If I scroll further on the page here, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Again, it's selling very well. It's even got a recurring bill on here. But do we think people who are searching online for about earning money would be interested in getting paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube? you bet they would. Now let's have a look at this sales page really quickly. And we will open it up and we can see this is the page. So let me cancel that. Let me get rid of this. Okay. So this here is affiliate marketing. So how it would work is I would create a piece of content around this keyword up here called Earning Online UK. Then I would go ahead and find affiliate products related to that. So examples like this one, and a few more. Once I've got those products, which I can become an affiliate for, I can then move on to the next part, which would be to create the content. Okay. So I hope that makes sense. And look, it's not just, it's not just finance making money online. If we were to type in, let's type something in, let's type in something completely different to earning money online. Let's go with something around, I don't know, best bird feeder. I don't know, something like that. Now I can see here, let's have a look, 6,600 people a month are searching online for the best bird feeder. If I scroll down here, we can see this trend over here. Now if I scroll down here, let's just go into one of these. Modern Gardeners, Even Standard. Let's go and find, look, what's this? Best bird feeders UK. So somebody here has got the keyword bird feeders. Now if we scroll down, how are they monetizing their website? Well, we can see over here it says product. This is an affiliate link. Scroll further on the page here, look, check the price on Amazon. If I click that, they send me over to Amazon. If I buy the product, the owner of this website over here, they earn, what is this? They earn an affiliate commission. And it's the same throughout this article. Pretty much anything we are doing, we can make money from. It sounds ridiculous, but you can do. So how could we create content like this? So best bird feeders or earning online or anything. So I'm going to share with you a couple of pieces of AI software. So the first one is this one over here, and it's called Koala Writer. Now, here's a cool thing about this, okay? You can come over here and try it absolutely for free. You don't even need to put your email in. So I'll put a link to this down below, and then you come over here on the left-hand side where it says Koala Writer. And on here, all you do is you fill in the options down here, and then you could take the article that it creates for you and put it onto your website. You can also integrate this with your own website as well. And by the way, if you don't have a website, you can get a free one. You can go on Google sites, Wix, Weebly. There's lots of these. Just type in free website, okay? So we have this option down here. So we'll come in here, we'll give it a name. Scroll further down the page, just leave this on 3.5 on the free one, because if you go with ChatGPT 4, it will use more credits, okay? And we scroll down here, what do we want to create? Now, do I want a blog post, an Amazon product roundup, a YouTube video, or do I want to rewrite a blog post? Well, in this example, I want a blog post. Then I put in here target keyword. So my target keyword here would be Earn Online UK. Scroll further on the page here. This here is known as SEO optimization. So search engine optimization, we can leave it on default, manual, or AI powered. I just put it on AI powered. Scroll down, language, country, and then point of view. And you can click on any of these. Normally I go with first person or second person. Scroll down here, use real-time search results, yes. Scroll further on the page here, let me get rid of that. And then include frequently asked questions, so I can just click on there. Include takeaways, so it gives you key points. And then you just come down here, you click on create article. Then it takes a couple of minutes and it will give you something like this. And I've done this process. So here is the article. I can see here, look, Earn Online UK, that's my keyword. Top ways to make money from home. Scroll down here, we've got takeaways in the article. We've got understanding, what's this? Understanding online earning in the UK. And then it goes into the content, okay? Different ways to make money online. So inside of this article here now, I could start including affiliate links, like the products over here. These ones that I found over on ClickBank. That's pretty straightforward and simple, it really is. And if I scroll further down here, we can see we've got lots more inside of this article over here. This piece of software is brilliant, by the way. Look, we've got a conclusion, frequently asked questions, and that's it. And I can scroll up to the top and see over here that this article is 3,200 words long. It's awesome. Now, that is one piece of software. The pricing on this as well, if you decide to go ahead and continue using something like this, again, it's ridiculously cheap. If I scroll down here, we can see we've got the free, well, you can try it for free, but then look over here, essentials, $9 a month. For $9 a month, they will give you 15,000 words that you can use to create evergreen content. It's awesome. And then what happens is, as you start creating more content, if you want to, you can then, go up these different plans if you really got to that point. But for $9 a month, to create content like what we've just looked at, it's unbelievable. It really is. It's awesome. So that there is Koala. But like I said, go ahead and check it out for free. Just go to link down below, click on there, and then you land on the homepage, click on Koala Writer, and this is where you can try it. It's brilliant. It really is. Now, the thing with this one as well is, so if I come over here, we can see we've got a blog post, Amazon product, rewrite a blog post, and YouTube. So that's pretty cool for an AI tool. Now, there is another piece of software that you can use. And again, I use this other piece of software. So if I come over here into, let's go into here. Now you can see inside of this one, this is a different piece of software called AI WiseMind. It works in a very similar fashion. The only difference what I'm finding at this moment in time from trialing and testing these things is over in AI WiseMind, it gives us more options. So you can see over here when I'm creating a campaign, I can do an informational post, I can do an Amazon product review, but I can also do reviews of any other product. So if I was looking for a product over on ClickBank and I wanted to create a review article around it, I could do it here inside of AI WiseMind. Similar way, give it a name, keyword, but inside of here, I can actually include my affiliate links in the articles, which is brilliant. And then I can have buttons going in here. We've got images, so auto embed images, it will embed videos for me. And it's just a case of going down and filling this out. And I'll show you, let me show you this, okay? So this Koala Writer, I wrote an article earlier on, I'll show you that now. This one over here, natural fly repellent. So let me show you the actual article on the website. So over on this website over here, you can see this is the article. And you can see we've got our table of contents on here. We've got a lot of information in here, images and other bits. So it's brilliant. It creates really good content. And again, this concept over here works the same way. I'm creating evergreen content. I then have affiliate links inside of the article and I can be earning money in a number of ways. If I come over to the other website, which is this one, in fact, I'll just type it. It's called We Make Money with AI. We'll come over here and I'll show you some of these review articles that we have created using AI WiseMind. So if I come in here, look, I actually used it to create a review article on Koala Writer. So if I click on there now, and we're going to this article, we can scroll down, look, Koala Writer, is it the best AI writer? scroll further on the page here, we have got it auto embeds videos from YouTube. I've got visit the official website over here, all done automatically, by the way. Scroll further on the page here, our table of contents. We've got images in here, so if it will go and take images from actual sales pages and bring it into here. So it's awesome. It also includes tables like this, pros and cons, pricing, etc. Okay, but that there is two different AI tools that we can use to create what is known as evergreen content. So content that will be around, hopefully forever. So in this example over here, like creating, making money online in the UK or wherever you are, people are searching this online. Whether we're looking at getting rid of flies or killing flies, again, that's something that people are going to want a resource for, so we can create content around that. So those are two different AI tools. The other option that you've got when it comes to creating evergreen content would be videos, okay? Now, at this moment in time, the best option with videos is not this format that I'm doing here. It's not long format videos like this. It's short video format. Now, there's lots of these different options available for you. So you've got this one over here, which is called Clipper. Is it? Yeah, we've got Clipper AI. This one here, you can see content automation tool for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. This one down here, it's not cheap. It starts at $32 a month. You've then got another one called Munch. This one down here, again, it starts at $49 a month. And then the final one we have got is Opus Clip, which is this one over here. Now, this one is my preferred one. It's the one I use more than I've got an account with Munch. This one over here, I've got an account over here. And I don't have an account with Clipper AI. It's something I'll look at a later date. But they all work in a similar fashion. The difference being is, over on Opus, you can sign up for free. And in terms of the actual pricing, it is the cheaper one out of all of them. It's $19 a month. But they do have a free trial, so you can try it completely for free. And how it works over here is, you can see, you drop a link into here. You drop a YouTube link, and then it will create 10 potentially viral videos based upon the link that you put in here. It'll take a long format video and it will condense it into smaller, as you can see over here, smaller format videos, including text, emojis, content over the top. It's just brilliant. And here's a cool thing what you can do with this. With these short clips, you can put them on YouTube, you can put them onto TikTok, you can put them on Instagram, you can put them wherever you want. And at the same time, to be getting double the amount of potential traffic, what you would do is you would have the AI software create the articles like this. So, it's not hard by any stretch of the imagination. You would then go onto YouTube and find related videos to your category or niche. You would use this software to create the videos. Once the videos are done, you'd put them on your different platforms and you could have a link back to your main website. And when people are landing on your website, guess what? You're earning money from affiliate marketing. As I mentioned, there are a number of ways you can do this. But look, that is 3 different AI tools that you can use to make money online and from home. And you can try them all absolutely for free. So yeah, that's it. What do you think of these tools? Do you like them? Have you used them? Are you going to use them? So yeah, I'll leave links to everything down below. But yeah, have a great day and I'll see you soon.